Are you feeling bored during your holiday, that is Sunday, and you have no work to do? Then here I am telling you the easiest way to forget your boredom. Just open your smartphone and open the Google folder, and there you find the Play Game app. Open it, and here you can see lots of games are here. Pre-installed games. If you want to play, then you can play Snake, Solitaire, Cricket, and Pacman. So here it is. You can play. Just tap on it and click on button, and here your game starts. It's very easy and you can play. So this is the gameplay of Snake. If you want to play cricket, if you are cricket enthusiast, then you can play cricket. It's very easy to play it. And its graphics is pretty cool. If you want to play another games like Solitaire and Pacman, they are also here. You can also explore new games from arcade option. Here you can find lots of games which are available on Play Store. Thank you.